The Lima Stock Exchange, BVL or Bolsa de Valores de Lima, is Peru's stock exchange based in Lima, the country's capital. It has a number of indices. The S&P BVL Peru General Index, formerly IGBVL, is a value-weighted index that monitors the performance of the Lima Exchange's largest and most actively traded stocks. Sectors in the Lima Stock Exchange: sector agriculture, sector banks and finance, sector diversified, sector industries, sector mining and sector services. There are 261 listed companies on the exchange, and the listings are denominated in Peruvian Nuevo Sols. Peru's economy is listed by the World Bank as a developing social market economy with a high degree of foreign exchange and an upper middle income economy. Peru's economy is the world's 47th largest in terms of total GDP, and the country currently has a high Human Development Index. With a GDP growth rate of 6.3% in 2012, the country was one of the world's fastest growing economies, with the economy expected to rise 9.3% in 2021 as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic in Peru. Peru's economy is reliant on commodity exports, putting it at risk from price fluctuations in foreign markets, though the economy has started to diversify in recent decades. Copper, gold, zinc, textiles, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, manufacturers, equipment services and fish meal are Peru's main exports, with the United States, China, Brazil, the European Union and Chile as its main trading partners. Services account for 59.9% of Peruvian GDP, with manufacturing 32.7% and agriculture accounting for the rest, 7.6%. From legalizing parts of the informal sector to massive privatization in the mining, energy and telecommunications sectors, Peru's economy has undergone significant free market reforms. The Nuevo Sol has a low inflation rate of 2.5% right now. Since its inception, the Sol's exchange rate against the US dollar has largely remained between 2.8 and 3.3 to 1. The Sol is the most stable and reliable of all the currencies in the Latin American region. Peru appears well positioned to flourish in the coming years, with expanding ports loading up boats for China on one side and a new superhighway to Brazil on the other, as well as a free trade deal with the United States in its pocket. Ordinary income is taxed on capital gains. Capital gains from the selling of shares sold by a Peruvian company on the Lima Stock Exchange, on the other hand, are taxed at a 5% rate if the seller is a non-domiciled entity. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.